Have you ever wondered how the food you eat could unlock a vibrant, energized version of yourself, even as you embrace your golden years? Hi, I'm Dr. Mary, and today I'm sharing a powerful secret. 15 scientifically backed foods that can supercharge your circulation, boost your energy, and help you live with vitality. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes and I'll show you how simple dietary changes can transform how you feel every day. Let's dive in and rediscover the freedom of a healthy body. Chapter 1: Why Circulation Matters for Seniors. As we age, good blood flow becomes the cornerstone of vitality. It delivers oxygen to your muscles, keeps your heart strong, and supports energy for the activities you love, whether it's dancing with your grandkids or enjoying a morning walk. Poor circulation can lead to fatigue, stiffness, or even heart issues. But here's the exciting part. The right foods can naturally enhance blood flow, reduce inflammation, and keep your vessels flexible. Let's explore how these foods work their magic. What's one activity you love that you'd like to do with more energy? Drop it in the comments below. Chapter 2: Top Foods to Boost Circulation. Let's get to the heart of it. Here are 15 foods that can transform your circulation and vitality. I've handpicked these based on science and my years helping seniors thrive. Grab a notebook because you'll want to try these. 1. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa. Yes, chocolate can be healthy. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids, which boost nitric oxide to relax blood vessels. Just a square or two daily can improve blood flow and lift your mood. Choose 70% cocoa or higher to keep sugar low. 2. Pomegranate. These ruby red seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants. They increase nitric oxide, widening blood vessels for better circulation. Try sprinkling seeds on yogurt or sipping fresh pomegranate juice. For a refreshing boost, 3. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Loaded with vitamin C, citrus fruits strengthen blood vessel walls and reduce inflammation. Add an orange to your breakfast or squeeze lemon into water for a zesty start to your day. 4. Red and purple grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, a heart-healthy antioxidant that relaxes blood vessels. A handful daily supports your heart and keeps blood flowing smoothly. Perfect for snacking. Pause for a second. Have you tried adding any of these foods to your diet yet? Which one sounds most exciting? Let me know in the comments. 5. Watermelon. This juicy fruit is rich in citrulline, which boosts nitric oxide for better blood flow. It's hydrating and great for stamina. Slice some up for a summer treat. 6. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient dynamo with folate and magnesium, supporting blood vessel health and oxygen delivery. Toss it in smoothies or salads for an energy kick. 7. Kale. Kale's vitamins A and C keep blood vessels elastic, while potassium helps manage blood pressure. Blend it into a green smoothie for a nutrient-packed meal. 8. Walnuts. These nuts are rich in arginine, promoting blood flow, and omega-3 for heart health. A small handful daily is a heart-smart snack. Dr. Laura's top foods for senior vitality. Boost your circulation and energy with these 15 scientifically backed foods. 1. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa, flavonoids. Boost nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels. 2. Pomegranates. Antioxidants enhance blood flow and heart health. 3. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C strengthens blood vessels. Reduces inflammation. For red and purple grapes supports heart health and circulation. 5. Watermelon improves blood flow and stamina. 6. Spinach, folate and magnesium support oxygen delivery and vessel health. 7. Kale. Vitamins A, C and potassium maintain vessel elasticity. 8. Walnuts. Arginine and omega-3 promote blood flow and heart health. 9. Pumpkin seeds, zinc and antioxidants support circulation and vitality. 10. Salmon. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and prevent plaque buildup. Zinc boosts energy and supports immune health. 12. Chili peppers capsaicin dilates blood vessels for better flow. 13. Ginger gingerol relaxes vessels and reduces inflammation. 14. Garlic allicin lowers blood pressure and enhances circulation. 15. Oats soluble fiber clears arteries and supports steady energy. How to use: incorporate 2 to 3 of these foods daily. Start small, add spinach to a smoothie or snack on walnuts. Consult your doctor before major dietary changes. Chapter 3: More powerhouse foods. Let's keep the momentum going with more foods to fuel your vitality. 9. Pumpkin seeds packed with zinc and antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds support energy and heart health. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or enjoy as a snack. 10. Salmon. Salmon's omega-3s keep arteries clear and blood flowing. Aim for 2 servings a week for maximum heart benefits. 11. Oysters. Rich in zinc, oysters boost energy and immune health. They're a special treat for vitality. 12. Chili peppers. Spicy peppers contain capsaicin, which opens blood vessels. Add a kick to your meals for better circulation. 13. Ginger. Ginger's gingerol reduces inflammation and improves blood flow. Try it in tea or stir fries. 14. Garlic. Garlic's allicin lowers blood pressure and keeps blood vessels flexible. Add it to your cooking daily. 15. Oats. Oats soluble fiber clears arteries and provides steady energy. Start your day with a bowl to feel unstoppable. Conclusion. These 15 foods aren't just about health. They're about reclaiming your energy, your strength, and your zest for life. As seniors, you have the power to explore your body's potential with every bite. Start small, maybe add a handful of walnuts or a bowl of oats this week. Your heart, your muscles, and your spirit will thank you. Which of these foods are you excited to try? Or maybe you've already noticed a difference with one of them? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to live vibrantly. Let's keep this journey going together. This content is inspired by research on nutrition and circulation adapted for seniors with love and care. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes. See you next time.